Hello and welcome to TensorFlow. TensorFlow was created by the Google Brain team. Was created to be flexible, scalable, and production-ready. Is well suited for large-scale machine learning and deep learning implementations. You can use TensorFlow to train neural networks with millions of parameters on large training sets. Also, it is backed by Google, it's reliable, and has a good community. If you would like to implement sophisticated machine learning models in TensorFlow, use handy functions to create standard neural network layers. Train various types of neural networks in just a few lines of code. Control the neural network training process. Use various pre-trained models. And practice with many other features of TensorFlow. This course is for you. It gives you hands-on experience in TensorFlow and Keras for neural networks and deep learning. Your resume will stand out with TensorFlow if you are looking for job positions like data analyst, data scientist, and machine learning engineer. In this course, after installing TensorFlow and getting started with it, you will have a review over Python. Next, you will get familiar with building models using Keras, working with convolutional neural networks, and handling overfitting. You will learn saving and loading models as well as transfer learning. Eventually, you have some final tasks to help you learn better the topics. Enroll today at techclass.com.